So I guess someone would ask, Justin, why would we not tear this whole thing down and start over?
It's not our mission, not our goals.
Yes.
We want to take these old properties and we want to, what everybody wants to trash and what everybody wants to demo and throw away, and we want to take it and just put life back into it, which I think we can do. New kitchen will start over here, kind of go around to
it's gonna be an L shape
over there.
So back here is gonna be a door out to a gorgeous patio.
I think the design will look better having the door over there out to a deck, and then the deck will lead out to where you park your car.
And so this is gonna be an entry to your master bedroom. Right here, we're gonna cut a hole in. We're gonna close off this door right here. And this is now our new washer dryer area. So you're gonna come up here, you're gonna park your car to your brand new house, and you're gonna walk up on the deck that way and go in through the side. We're at Lit House. I'm so excited. It has been a journey to get where we are today. When we started working on it, we had no idea what we were in for. We thought we could maybe keep some of the original walls. Nope, everything went. everything went down. Gone. So we ended up rebuilding pretty much the entire house, which is a good thing because now we can really, you know, not have any issues in the walls or anything like that. There's no mold, there's no termite damage. We are golden. So during this 100 days also, we went through this COVID-19 thing to where we couldn't work. Some people could work, some people were essential, other people were not essential. And we went through that whole entire deal also. And we're coming out of the back end of it now. It's May 2020 right now. And so we're in the back end of it. It's the end of May. We're gonna list by June 1st. I am really impressed that you got it done in 100 days. Like, high-fiving it already. He hasn't seen it since all of the like finished touches, like before it got cleaned. So it's been staged now. I had this amazing florist come through. She is, oh my gosh, rewild. It's so good. My friend Danielle, she made this truly look like a farmhouse, and I am thrilled to show you. Let's do it. Come on, guys. Let's do this. Good job on the office. I know, it's cool, right? Yeah, it's really neat. Here, look. Look at this. Oh, wow. Come look. Seriously, look. And look at the flowers. Oh, wow. I know. This looks Are you taking really it in? Good, yeah. Look, and the legs that we got online. Some thick legs, baby. Some thick legs, girl. Yeah, I like them thick legs. And then Don Eichert made this top. Yeah. I decided to go natural. Do you think it was a good choice? I love it. Because I think it like ties the floor with the legs and this. Like, yeah, love it. Are these her flowers too, or is this something that's staged? Didn't she do such a good job? Are these real? Some of them are. She kind of mixed and matched them. Oh man, look at the open shelves. I know. For me, I don't know what it's going to look like till that stager comes in, and then I can see what it's going to look like with all the bowls and plates and glasses and everything else. But it wraps it up. It's like the jewelry. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, it looks really good. It was naked before and we clothed it. So something I like to do in every place when I design, not necessarily stage, but design, I like to, if I use a color like the pendant lights, I try and replicate it or repeat it 3 to 5 times. So that's a little trick I do. So the pendant lights, you'll see this color again. It's part of the door, it's the lights, and then I did the laundry room. So coffee pot too. Oh my, and coffee pot. So the stager also did. So a fun little thing I did here is I put some herb holders around the stove. I thought it'd be cool if it was like a true farmhouse kitchen. Somebody would be using natural herbs, and so I wanted to kind of have that space for them. We just staged it with normal plants, but I think it'd be really cool to put a couple herbs here. They can just grab them, put it in their pot. This guy is a fun story. Our project manager was out, and he was going to set the telescopic, whatever this deal is up here, and so he goes up there, but what he didn't realize is, see, I just turned it on, it's motion sensor. It's really cool.
Hear that thing crank up? That thing's got some power. All right. So he's going up there to go work on it. What he didn't realize was his belly hit that, motion censored it on, and it took the tip of his finger off.
2 fingers.
Then we've got blood coming down, blood going out the door. And I'm like, oh man, you know, and she's...
I can't do blood.
Can't do it.
So and especially like any hangnail or skin, I'm out. I can't. I love you, but bye. I gotta get out of here.
So I go up there. I get on the ladder and I go up there. I'm like, man, we need to like unplug this, turn it off. Well, I trip the motion sensor and it sends his tip of his finger back out and hits me in the cheek.
So gross. So we had it detailed and clean. It's completely clean and sanitized, but oh my gosh, that was the most disgusting part of this whole kitchen.
I mean, what hood, you know, comes with a remote? I mean, you gotta be a baller.
Dude, it's bougie. It's a bougie kitchen. This space here, the dining room.
This was the wild card right here where the dining room table's at because we made it a foot bigger.
Yeah. We got
a whole 6-top table.
6-top table in here, and there's plenty of room to still walk around.
Flowers too. These flowers are absolutely
She did good. Look
gorgeous.
at these. Aren't they cute?
Little bar area over here. Oh, is that full?
Oh my gosh, Justin. So my favorite part is behind me. You wanna come?
Yes.
Like my favorite part of this house is this laundry room. So this is the teal I was talking about. I went a little bit lighter because it is such a small space, but let's look at this. Oh my gosh. I saw this on Pinterest and I asked my tile guy, can you do this? I know it's crazy. And he did it within like an hour, not even.
A couple hours.
It's amazing. Most tile guys that we've worked with, that we no longer work with, always would complain about my crazy ideas about tile. So I finally found someone that not only will do my crazy ideas, but actually enjoys it. Like he had a really good time doing this. All right, babe, master bedroom. Go check it out.
See, this place is huge. Yeah, this is really nice. I was concerned about the amount of space that was gonna be in here, but somebody can make this really their own. They could put the bed here if they wanted. There's just so many different ideas that you can do in here.
So, you know where I'm standing right now?
You're standing in the old toilet area. It was literally...
Look at the toilet. And just in case you need to go to the restroom while you're walking through the job site, this is the old garage. And everyone that has been through here has been like really shocked that you could make a garage out of this. And it does take, we had to add a foundation. We had to bring the whole foundation up. I mean, I don't know you can talk about the technical side, but.
We had to do that, add the egress windows, which the egress windows were actually the same size as all the other windows in the house.
Yeah.
You know, so we got these nice big windows letting a lot of light in. We spaced them out. Stephanie actually spaced them out to where somebody could put a TV up here.
You haven't seen the bathroom yet either.
I have not, no.
Okay.
So this was a massive 44-inch door that we found at the thrift store. It was a matching set of 44-inch doors that she's like, let's make it a barn door. And I was like, oh my gosh, like, can you picture this thing barning right here? It's like, it'd be 8 feet.
You actually told me no probably 10 times. And I said, oh no, we're gonna use it. And you're like, no, it's gonna be ridiculous. I don't know why you talk like that.
You got more than a wheelchair you can get in there. Get the 80s slow clap on this deal right here.
Right? It turned out really good. I got this piece at Kimberly Home Thrift Store in Dunedin, and it is just so cool. It was this ugly, like 70s wood color, and oh, there's some paint left over there. But man, isn't it pretty? So what happened is I originally had some granite that I was gonna reuse from the kitchen, because we were gonna need 2 slabs. And I was gonna put the granite on here. I bought these sinks that I thought were smaller. And what happened was I had bought gold faucets to go behind it. Well, obviously there is not enough space for that. And I also really liked the black when we saw it. So we decided to seal the black and go switch from a cabinet mounted up to a wall mounted, which is a lot of plumbing and a big expense. But it had to happen, and it looks so good now. It looks so good, it was worth it. Since this is so retro, I wanted to go a little bit more farmhousey with other details, you know, and then with the brushed gold shower, this flooring also, it's not what I had in my plan. He was running behind on the job, so I said, you know what, let's just simplify it, and I'm so glad we did, because it kind of looks like a rug.
Yes.
Instead of like, I had this really busy pattern planned, and it would have, and this is so, it's just simple and great. I think he did a really good job.
Curbless shower, so you literally just walk right in.
Yeah. So this master closet, I decided to go smaller on the closet and a bigger bathroom.
No, remember we took this to the pole.
True, this is another thing. You're right. And everyone was like, oh, I'd rather have a bigger bathroom than a bigger closet. I mean, and I'm kind of the same. There's only so many clothes. Some people are opposite from me, I get that. But I'm kind of the same. I only need enough space for my clothes, and there's a lot of space here for like drawers, and if you really wanted to add like another armoire, you could. So I just did a simple, what is it, 4x6. It's still a walk-in, it's still great. Double hang and then a single hang in the back. So we couldn't get into these bedrooms during the first walkthrough. So now we can get in.
Yeah, looks good.
Look at this.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Like, I love how she positioned the bed. It makes so much sense. And then also the light and the fan. We put these really cool black fans to kind of match the matte black handles and other accessories.
Oh, that's right.
Come, let's look at the bathroom. What? No, don't kick it. No. No, remember when you did to the front door?
SWAT team.
You just busted it. That upset me.
Bad boys,
Look,
bad
babe.
boys.
Right?
So these are the sconce lights. Is like you have to have your electric dead on this, and if you don't.
So why do you have to have them dead on? Because I'm not technical, but you guys always say I have to have them dead on. Why?
Because if they're off and he goes to tile, you're popping tiles off, moving electric, you got drywall damage, you got all different kinds of stuff. And if this is an exterior wall, then you're really in.
Like if it's like block. Yeah. We ran into that with Baby Blue.
Exactly.
Yeah, rock wall.
Exactly. And remember, you couldn't move it.
Yeah.
You had to just live with it.
Yeah. So then your little toilet.
I will tell you the funny story. Here, you hop out.
Yeah.
So if you notice, this is framed down for like a door. The drywall and frame guys thought this was supposed to be a closet, not the toilet area. So they framed it down as if a door was supposed to go in here. Well, I didn't notice it till like this whole entire job was done. So now everybody makes fun of me like, hey, I'm gonna go get in the closet to do my business on the toilet. But I actually like the privacy, so.
All right, you ready to check out this bedroom?
Let's do it.
Isn't it so cute? And look, what color is here again? Teal.
The pop of color.
Yeah.
Is that a yak or is that a hairy bull?
Oh, looks like a cow.
So this deck was not here before. This was just like side yard. It had like this oil bin thing,
No, it was like gasoline because your guys were like filling it up.
It was diesel, that's right. Yeah, they were using
But this was gross. Yeah, we weren't even planning on using this, but in the plan, we came out because we had to look under the crawl space.
Yeah.
And we're like, wait, we should utilize this as a deck. We were planning on originally making the door on the other side and a little small deck over there, but when we saw this huge side yard, it was a no-brainer. This looks good, Jones.
I'm digging it.
I'm proud of you. This is good. So final numbers, what did we buy it for?
We bought it for $138 with closing costs.
Okay.
Because we had to pay closing costs on both sides with the wholesaler.
Yeah.
We put $130,000 into this house.
Not expected.
Definitely not expected. I had budgeted 90, maybe 100,000.
Yeah, we knew it'd take a lot because it was a hoarder house, but.
But then Matt and Lisa walked us through it, and well, we walked them through the house, and with the finishes, farmhouse, all that good stuff, they're saying we could list it at $425. That's $150,000.
I'm not a mathematician, so I'll say that's a good profit.
Yeah, it's $150,000 after closings, realtor fees, and all that stuff. Should be able to clear $120,000 on this one easily.
That's great. That's exciting. Yeah. All right, we're done. Lit house. What do you think?
I have just all kinds of mixed emotions on this one. When we first pulled up to this house, you couldn't even see the house. We had to jump the fence.
Justin, to be honest, when I pulled up, I literally thought, what did you do? What did you, because we bought it sight unseen, technically.
Yes. Yeah.
We did one walkthrough, but you had already basically bought the house.
Bought the house.
And I was like, what did you do to us?
Yes.
Why you do that? And yeah, everything was overgrown. It was like a jungle out front. And then inside, it was like
another jungle.
A time capsule. It's like someone hadn't lived there in forever because there was dust, like really thick dust everywhere. And you know, it's so funny because every time I feel like we walk into a property, I kind of second guess it. Like, what
did we just do? But the layout was there. The square footage was there if we took the garage. So I knew we bought right. So at $138, $138,000, I knew we bought right because we were under that $100 a square foot, which is where we like to be.
Mm-hmm.
I'm always comfortable around $100 a square foot in these neighborhoods because I know on the retail side we can sell them for a whole lot more.
Well, even I, through this process, I questioned it because I'm like, it looked so busted. I mean, so super busted. And I think it turned out really great. Like, it just had a beautiful home feeling. When you walk in, it just feels like home. And it honestly, when we walked into it, it felt like home. Like someone had really lived in this home. And that's why there's people behind every transaction we do.
Yeah.
We really take the heart of the home, which is people who have loved in it and lived in it and have had memories in it and cried and laughed and dinners all in these homes, no matter what the condition is, that they look terrible, but there's still that heart behind it. And I think that's what we do differently, is we really take that heart and then roll with it, you know? And I think that's why we love doing this. Like, Christ does that to us. No matter how busted we look on the outside, there's still that heart on the inside that is connected to him. And when we take these busted houses, we transform them. We come on the inside and kind of start to do like the surgery, I don't know, like construction surgery on it, to where we transform it into this beautiful creation almost.
That's desirable.
If you guys liked what you saw, please be sure to watch our other videos. And also, the more you watch our videos, the more content we can come out with. So we love you guys. I know that you're enjoying watching us because we get comments all the time about our crazy stuff. But if you want to keep watching, subscribe, make sure you turn on your alerts so that when a new video does come out, you can be the first to watch it. And that way you can also engage with us and choose a door color and choose what light fixture we do. We love hearing from you guys, so we want to hear more of that, right?
Love you guys.